welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to integrate His Wallet with tax reporting software. To integrate His Wallet with tax reporting software, we will typically need to export a transaction history and then import it into tax software. Here's how you can do it. Open the His Wallet application on your device and log in using your credentials. After that, navigate to Assets tab. Select the assets from Wallet. Here, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Here you can see Export Transaction option. Click on it, and then you can export or download the transaction history, which may be in CSV format. Now, second step is to select a cryptocurrency tax software that supports importing transaction histories from Wallet, which are CoinD, CoinTracking, TokenTax, CryptoTrader.tax, ZenLedger. This platform allows you to calculate taxes on cryptocurrency transactions, capital gains, and other income. After exporting a transaction history, log into your chosen tax reporting software. Look for an option to import transaction history. In most tax platforms, you will find an option to import CSV file or public wallet address. If the tax software supports API integration or Wallet Connect, you may directly link your His Wallet to the tax software. After importing the transaction, the tax software will calculate capital gain, loss, and other relevant tax details based on a transaction. Review the information carefully to ensure that everything is correctly imported. Once all data is reviewed and tax are calculated, you can use the software to generate tax reports. By following these steps, you can integrate His Wallet with tax reporting software and easily manage your cryptocurrency taxes. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.